Hello. Okay, hi everybody. So you guys saw me put this beautiful wig on this morning, and now I'm getting ready to take her off. So I'm out on my balcony, and I just want to show you guys how I easily remove a secured wig from Magic Hair Company. So this wig was custom colored copper. I put her on for this morning, but I'm getting ready for formal night tonight, and I'm putting on my long, I'm a baddie blonde wig. So as you guys can see, I secured her very nicely earlier this morning. All I used was my Got2b spray, which I love using it because it's just a hairspray. So my edges aren't damaged, it's not glue. There's no gunk and residue on my wig, but now I have to remove her. And of course, I want to protect my hairline. So to remove her, I will simply just use some water. So you see she's nice and secured on here. Secured. You see my wig is secured. But I want to take her off and I don't want to damage my edges. So I'm going to pin my hair up here. And I'm just gonna put some water around the hairline because I only use the Got2b spray. It is water-based, and I'm just going to wet down my hairline and pull her off. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm on a cruise, so clearly I'm having a great day. So on this cloth here, I'm going to spray it with some water. You can also just spray this directly on your hairline. Let me just show you guys. It is secure before I pull it off. It's nice and secure. And all I used was my Got2b spray. So, quick, easy wig removal. And that's it. So, very, very easy. Protect your edges. Do not damage your hairline. You really don't even need glue, but since I'm out on the ocean, I want my hair to look fabulous. And just spray some water there. Just a little bit of water. Oh, she's really on here. And yeah. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove your wig after adhering it with the Got2b spray. So thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you guys how I do that quick and fast and easy. And there you go. Very easy. And if I wanted to put her back on, I could. That's it, guys. Easy wig installation. Our wigs are glueless, easy to take off. Natural, simple, and easy. Oh, let me show you guys the whole view. Thanks for watching.